This video deals with the working of the velocity filter. Velocity filter works on the principle of the cross-field configuration of uniform electric and magnetic field. When the electron enters the uniform electric and magnetic field in a perpendicular direction to both, it can travel undeviated path. So, in order to generate the uniform electric field, the experimental setup consists of a pair of metal plates, upper and the lower, separated by a small distance d. Upper plate is positively charged, lower plate is negatively charged, and they have a potential difference of V volts that will generate a uniform electric field given by equation E is equal to V by D. In the same region, the magnetic field is applied in a perpendicular direction to the electric field. To apply the magnetic field in perpendicular direction to the electric field, magnetic field is penetrated inside the plane of the board and the direction of the velocity is perpendicular to it. So, let us imagine that z-axis is the direction of B, positive x direction is the direction of velocity of the electron. As a result, the force due to the magnetic field generated will be the direction of the thumb, and therefore FL is directed in a negative y direction, whereas force due to electric field is having a direction in positive y direction. So Fe and Fl, these are the forces generated due to the uniform electric field and the magnetic field. When these two forces will have the same magnitude but they are oppositely directed, and electron when passes through such a region, neither electric field force nor magnetic field force act on it, and therefore electron will behave as if no force is acting on it and can travel undeviated path. The force acting due to the electric field is given by equation Fe is equal to E into E. Similarly, force acting on the electron due to the magnetic field is given by Fl is equal to BeV. When their magnitudes are same, we can write Fe is equal to Fl. Fe is nothing but E into E, which is equal to BeV, which is nothing but Fl. So cancelling the similar term from both the sides, finally we get the equation E is equal to V into B, or V is equal to E by B. This equation clearly shows that magnetic field is smaller than the electric field, because when we multiply by factor V to the magnetic field, then only it equals to electric field. So, if we want to separate out the electrons of the same velocity, we have to adjust the values of E and B such that their ratio will come out to be equal to the magnitude of the velocity of the electron which we want to separate out. In this case, let's suppose the electron beam consists of the mixed velocity V, which is a combination of V1, V V dash and V2 dash. If we want to separate out the electrons of velocity V1, then we have to adjust the values of E by D, which should come out to be equal to V1. All the electrons with the velocity V1 will travel undeviated straight line path, and they will be satisfying equation V1 is equal to E by D. Now, for the electrons having less velocity, V dash, say, they will travel a different path because they will experience the electric field more. Therefore, their path will be in positive y direction. They will travel parabolic path and finally they will reach at point P on the screen. Now, let us consider another kind of electrons which are having higher velocity than V1, which are considered as V2 dash. V2 dash are having more velocity than the V1. So, these electrons will experience the magnetic field more than the electric field, and so the force due to the magnetic field is in downward direction. So all these electrons will be diverted in the downward direction and finally they will reach at point Q on the screen. So at point O, only the electrons which are experiencing the same amount of electric and magnetic field will be reaching and they will be satisfying the equation V1 is equal to E by D. So, if at point O, if electron detector is kept, it will collect all the electrons having the same velocity, and this is how, with the help of this simple experimental assembly, we can separate out the electrons of desired velocity just by adjusting the values of electric field and magnetic